Good morning and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room for Tuesday, February 4th, 2025. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for education and information purposes only. It is not individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, that will take care of today. That's all of this is your only sessions. No additional needed on the disclosure. Crude, taking a full stop, 19 tick risk, 38 tick loss, waiting for next trade. After Russell, and there it is. It's a long trade on crude. Unleaded. Took a stop and reverse to start with. It was a 39 tick loss. And we got a target one win with a 16 tick trailer, and then the second target one missing target two by 1 tick. Our trailer was worth 13, so that's 26. I'm sorry, trailer was worth 23, so that's 46, which is exactly where we were. So we're dead break even for target two traders. Target one traders got positive, got 53 on the first trade total and 63 on the second. So you were net 50 something ticks positive. But target two needs another trade. We have a setup but no entry. This trade is strictly for target two. Get back down here. Pound Aussie had a trade that looks like it hit money management and stopped out for a single pip. So that's a break even if it was executable. Start time was right along in this bar. Went from 15 minutes before to a minute and a half after our start time. So that one is a question, but it's going to be no more than a 1 pip, so 5 pip net, even if it was. Soybeans, market's open. Soybeans has a short. No, so is that one? "12 seconds. Yeah, pretty good chance you got in the long, so that's going to be a stop and reverse. And we're still in the long. That's going to be at 53 and a quarter. So we're actually still in the long. So our stop is actually down here. There's our money management. That's our entry. Unleaded long trade did trigger in. All we've got to do is get positive because we got within one tick of target 2. We also had 2 money management trades. So anything we get positive will be POQ on unleaded. Avoidable short right at the open avoidable long rather at the open on the micro Russell. Crude hitting money management. So money management comes to 88. That entry was 87. Yeah. And 1 tick away from target. Okay, are you? Hey, Mike. How are you doing? Kind of busy already this morning. Soybeans in along with a potential potential stop and reverse short. 53 and a quarter on counterpunch. YM. Okay, that gave you a second entry, so that is a target 1 and good trailer down to almost target 2. So that's going to be a 1 and done on the YM. Unleaded still working, and crude coming close to a break even here. Still in the trade. Full crude contract on Spotlight, 8-tick range bar. YM is on a 14-tick range bar. Soybeans is on a 5-tick or 1.25 point range bar. YM, of course, 14 points or 14 ticks. And crude did stop out for a single, so that puts it down 36 with 1 trade to go. That's the second trade. First trade was a full loss. Second trade, break even. Down 36. 3 trade maximum on the mini sessions. Pound Aussie, no trades yet in the bottom left corner. No trades yet on the micro Russell. And we are past our start time on the micro NQ, so I'm going to put the unleaded chart up over top of the YM since it's 1 and done. Quick hit this morning on the YM. All right. micro NQ. This is a 12-point brick with a 3-point offset. So that makes some good sized trades. Hit money management, looking for target 2. Micro Russell with a short trade. Made money management, and that's a break-even stop out. Didn't get to target. Here's a long setup. Did not trigger. $14 minimum for money management. Target 1's 13, so we go up 1 to 71 flat. It touched the stop, but that doesn't cancel the trade. Because it had not hit the entry yet. So that trade is still valid. If it goes up now and hits the entry, the calculator will not track it, but it's still a valid trade. Unleaded, stopped and reversed to short for a full stop out, and now is in a short. Crude picks up a target 1 on short and 1 tick on the trailer. Target 1 worth 11, 12, so we're down 24 on the session, and that ends the session. We'll wait for now actually this micro NQ trade, while it would be nice, our start time is 4 minutes after market open. And we didn't never get back down to the entry, so that's a no trade. Soybeans still long. And we did trigger long on the micro Russell. And unleaded with another possible stop and reverse to long now. That's going to be 621. Use a 4-tick stop and reverse adjustment. And that stops out. That cancels the stop and reverse. Close beyond the stop. So we're back to our original stop and our original entry. There is a new stop and reverse. That one's going to be at, looks like 606, 607. Triggered in unadjusted, not adjusted. Stays up there. This comes down to 607. And I think that may have just triggered in. Yep, triggered in and went to target 1 and target 2. This one's getting us some Actually, this is only for target 2 traders. Target 1 traders are done. Target 2 were break even, and then we took a stop and reverse, a full stop, another stop and reverse. Actually, that stop and reverse, we've taken 3, so that's 4, 5, 6 is the short, so the stop and reverse would have been an exit trade only and no target. We wouldn't have entered the trade. So are you looking to day trade, Johnny, or swing trade? Futures are not difficult to get started in, but they're definitely a day trade market. All right. Oh, that's not nice. We touched the stop and reverse. Well, let's see. No, we got a new stop and reverse on soybeans at 53.5, and we did trigger in. And just as soon as we do that, we got to stop and reverse back the other direction at 56.75. Okay, that's got to go up 2 ticks to get our 6 tick minimum. So that's going to go to 58.25. For money, that's money management that I just set. All right, and we went up through that, and looks like we hit target 1 or target 2. Yes, so 2 positions come off at target 2. 58.50 from 56.75. 7 6 times 2, 14 ticks. So our next goal is target 3. And our stop, I believe, just got hit at 57 flat. Yep. That would be our break-even stop. With the stop and reverse would be 57 flat. So that trade is out. That is unfortunate. So we go 56.75 to 53.5. So 13 point loss on a 4 tick trade. or 4 position trade rather. We gain back 3.5 plus 2 more, so we gain back 4 points. Down 9 points. Another break even. Ooh, full stop out on the long trade on the micro Russell and a break even short. Another partial on unleaded, and then we go to long. Stops out at 717. No, that's right. We're done with unleaded. We've already through our 6 trades. Full loss on the micro NQ, and now on a long trade. Target 2 is gold. Trade to targets 2, 3, and 4. Target 1 is money management. There's a long trade on the micro Russell. That's a big trade. See, note the long wick there. So we'll definitely go target 1 for money management. First actionable target will be target 2. So we'll go 2 and 3 on this trade. And looking like second full stop out on the micro NQ. And now we have a short setup on the micro NQ. Three loss maximum on the micro NQ and the micro Russell. I take it, Mike, you were positive on cloud control this morning then. Spotlight had a tough time with crude. Took an initial full loss and a break even and a target 1, giving us a net 24 tick loss. And we are trailing now on micro Russell because of the large trade. Trailer activates at 0.7 of target 1, or actually 0.7x. Or no, yeah, 70% of target 1. And hey, that's a third loss on the micro NQ. That ends that session. Getting caught in noise there. So put the unleaded chart back down here. Both of those are done. So it's where it belongs tomorrow morning. YM went 1 and done. Soybeans down 9 points, needing some more trades. Then we touch the entry again on the micro Russell. Kind of in no man's land there. And hitting stop, that's going to be 68.4, and our entry was 68.6, so a 2-tick loss there. That's going to count pretty much as a break-even trade, just two ticks. I will count it as a break-even. Oh, wait a minute, that was not a break-even on that last one. It was a partial loss. Same thing. Large trade. Started trailing 67.3 for the stop, and our entry there was 66.7. So six tick negative there, 12 tick loss, and I know 18 tick loss. So that would be the second loss. 6 tick loss on this first one, but that third one, but that's going to be, I'm going to take that as essentially a break-even trade. All right, target. Well, phooey. We stop out and then go to targets on soybeans. What you can do with soybeans, since we stopped out on that, is you pick up this add-on trade as a get in sync. And that's a pretty good sized trade. Money management and there's money management and target 1. And target 2. This one won't track, but we'll have to track it manually. But it is long. Micro Russell going up through targets. Target, unfortunately, after stopping out. Entry at 58 flat, target 1 at 60.5. Now that's just a 6 tick. No, it's a 10 tick target. 2.5 points. And there is target for 2.5 points. Stop will come to 58.25. Stop originally would have been down here, 54. That's going to be it at 58.25. Wait for the balance line to come through on that. Almost time for our 10 a.m. crude mini session. Mark up this trade. We'll know where we are. That's gone too far, so we're not going to get in sync with that. And soybeans hitting target 2 on that add-on trade. So we've got 2.5 points for target 1, 4 points for target 2. That leaves us down, still down 2.5 points, with 2 positions on target 3 and trail. So the trailer signal line is at 58.13. So at 58 quarters, 57 and 3/4, and we're already at 58 1/4. So we're not moving on that one. This one, like, we'll move to 58 3/4, possibly 59. And here's crude starting to move. We're not in our session yet. And we're a minute away. And my data's running a little behind again. And it looks like the feed is running a couple minutes behind. Several minutes behind, it looks like. All right, that is the target 1 and target 2, so that will take care of one and done. That's that quick on the crude 10 a.m. mini session. Actually, no, that actually came before our start time by a minute and a quarter, so that's a no trade. Michael Russell with the target 3 and 4, and trailing up nicely on that one. So break even, a full loss, a partial loss, and a second essentially break even. Getting 2 positions off at target, essentially at target 3, and 1 at target 4. That went up a tick. To 77 flat. And Pound Aussie getting in on the action. Pound Aussie picking up a long trade, just hit money management. It's not a big trade, so target 2 is our first actionable target. This one's going to be at least a break even. And it looks like that may be all it is again. And target 3 on soybeans. Target 3 worth 22 ticks, 5.5 points. That puts us plus 3 points, with the trailer yet to still going. And the trailer I need to mark up. That's going to be at 59.5. Back up to money management again on the Pound Aussie, trying to push through the 50 EMA. Don't have to get through it, just have to get one more pip up, looks like. Target 2 at 99.84. And we got up to 83.4, so 6 ticks. 6 ticks away from target. And another long trade on the Micro Russell. So break even, 2 losses, 2 break evens, 2 losses. This will be the final trade of the morning. This is trade number 6. Major key level adjustment on the trailer. So it's going to be 81.5. Yeah. So and there's target 3. That's a win. And let's see, have we got any? Can we pick up a tick there or not? We go to, yes, we picked up a tick. So we go to 60.25. Right there. All right. Target on Micro Russell and stop to 80.3. Didn't quite get to target on the Pound Aussie. Still with the stop at 99.72. So we'll go to target 4 on I believe that just did it. Yep, target 4. So Micro Russell moving up. 81.2 for the stop. Soybeans is moving up. Let's see what we got to for. Okay, moved up a tick to. Actually, no, I'm not gonna move that up yet. We'll move it up another tick after this bar. All right. Trailing stop on the Micro Russell up to 82.2. Still moving up. Getting to positive territory there. I don't know where the volume is. Volume is in negative territory. Still 175 points below session open. 82.9. The Micro Russell, this one trades better than the last one. And Pound Aussie taking another run at its target. I have 83.6. Now 7. 3 ticks. Nifty EMA sitting at 84 flat, which is also where the target is. That is 2 positions at that target 2, since target 1 was too small. Come back over here to the micro, or to the soybeans chart. Yeah, now we come to 67.5. I'm sorry, 62.5, 161.5. Come to 62.5. Actually, we came to 60.5. No, yeah, 60.5, 62.5. So we'll come to 62 for the trailer. That was target 2, which was worth 4 points, was it? Yeah, 4 points. So now plus 7. at minimum. And stopping out on the micro Russell, that ends its session. That should be a positive session. That's a custom trade plan. Stopped out at 844. So we get target 2, target 3, and target 3 plus. Target 3, or I'm sorry, target 3 and target 4. 83.7. So we got target 4 plus 7. Almost essentially a target 5. That should be a positive session. And let's see, all right. Soybeans stop moves up to 63. Yeah, 63. It's like 2 ticks off of the target. So that's 5. That's 5 points there. Plus 8. It looks like Nazi did not get to target 2. Came back to 72.1. Oh, 1 tick from the stop out. So we're still live on that trade. And that and soybeans are the only things still going. All right, we've got a new trailer, but that's just a break even so far. Okay, 60, and we move up to 64. It looks like. Yeah, trailer moves up to 64. That's another point. 9 points now. On the positive side, where we were originally down 13 going into this trade. And it looks like we're not going to get to use that trailer. So we're 13 No, we were 12. We picked up a point on the exit of this the first long. So we're 12 points down after the 13-point stop in reverse. And we picked up 2.5, 4, and 5.5. Picked up 12 points on the targets. Oh, wait a minute now. Oh, that's right. We did get a target 1 there. Or target. Yeah, we just touched target 2. We had to move up 2 ticks from 58. So yeah, 58.50. So we picked up 3 points off of that. 3.5 actually. We're pulling back and stopping out. With 2 additional ticks. Yeah, so that plus 3.5 to our 13-point loss. That put us at 9.5. And we picked up 12. So yeah, we're up 2.5 going into the trailer. The trailer is now at, yeah, is at 1064. And the entry at 1058. So 6 points there. 8.5 points. Not a bad morning, and we did finally get target 2 on the pound Aussie. So that's good for 26 pips. That will make that a one and done session. Stop just moved up. Stop now at 74. That's definitely a win in my book. Soybeans trailer. And pound Aussie. Three additional positions. 26 pip win so far. 6 pips on the trailer at the moment. Plus the 5 pips on the first trade. If it was executable. Okay, that's current timing. Yeah, we're back on time, and the data's back on time. And feed may be behind. You may be hearing this a minute or two or three behind where I'm actually doing it. Stream is running a little behind. Kind of a mixed bag today. Unleaded and Micro NQ having difficult days being actually unleaded for target 2 traders having a difficult day, ending up even after 3 trades. So then the next 3 were not productive. But target 1 traders actually ended up about 50 something ticks positive. Getting two target 1 wins and partial trailers after the initial loss on that trade. Oh, this could be interesting. $65, so we go to 64.5. That's our trailer, the orange line. Tick below that swing, and I don't mind being that tight on it right now. And gets us one more tick, 9 3/4 points. Or 8 3/4 points, excuse me. No, we're up more than that. Excuse me. Miscalculated. So we got 2.5, 4, and 5.5. Yeah, 12. Yeah, we were up 2.5. That's right. And now 58 to 64.5. Going up again. Oops. Okay, we just closed another bar. Gave us a 66.5, so we'll go up to 66. That is 8 points on the trailer, so that's 10.5 on the trade so far. And we get a stop move and a stop out on the pound Aussie. That will end the trade. Looks like we got 77. Our next gold target would have been target 3. We definitely didn't get there. So 77 from 71. Pick up 6 ticks times 3 positions, 18 pips rather, on top of our 26 pips. So 44 pips. One and done, not huge, positive, and back again tomorrow. So the only thing remaining is the trailer on soybeans. That's going to go that could go on for a while, and I'm going to have to move on to another appointment here. And next move looks like 66.25 at minimum. Maybe 66.5 if you get an up close, but it's going to be at least a 10.5 point trade. That's what, $525 on 4 positions, which, you know, that 4 position trade takes a fair amount of capital. 4 positions on the trade that we took with the risk of 16 ticks. You're risking 4 contracts. That means you're risking 16 points. That's an $800 risk. So that's going to take $40,000 account to keep you under the 2% risk parameters that we suggest. I'm working on up at this point. Questions or comments? All right, folks. We will see everybody tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll do regular session at 9:30 and a crude oil inventory session at 10:30. So two separate streams tomorrow. We'll run about 45 minutes on the first one, and then we'll take about 45-50 minutes, and I'll take about 10 minutes to set up my charts for crude, and we'll run another session from about 10:25 until we complete our 3 charts on crude and unleaded. So we'll see everybody tomorrow morning at 10:30.